don't go broke trying to pay $0 in taxes. So essentially what a lot of people don't even realize is that to get tax deductions, so first off, a tax deduction is not a dollar for dollar tax savings. You spend $10,000 on an item, you may save $2,000, $3,000 in taxes. If you have a $10,000 tax bill, you're trying to get that down to zero, well, guess what? You're gonna have to spend $40,000 just to get that down to zero. It doesn't make any sense. At that point, you could just pay the tax liability and just kind of, kept it pushing at that point, right? So a lot of people do get caught up in like, hey, it seems cool to like pay $0 in taxes, but what they don't realize is that you make a ton of money, but implement smart strategies to lower that down as much as possible. Yeah, if you got to use real estate, maybe you can use financing, you can leverage. People do that with vehicles, with real estate, with other machinery and equipments in their business, but you still got to pay for that equipment, right? I wouldn't go out there like, hey, I got a $50,000 tax liability. Let me go finance a $150,000 G-Wagon so I can pay $0 in taxes. Like, you still got to pay the $150,000 in taxes, not to mention you got to maintain the vehicle, right? There's expenses that come with the vehicle after you buy it. So be smart. I like to look at things that will generate me a return on investment. I'm a big real estate person. I love real estate, but also as a business owner, I'll invest in employees. Maybe I'll do my retirement plan. I'll invest in different softwares and different processes that I can put in place to really streamline my work. That way I can take on more workload. The idea is that I'm spending money to make more money. That's really what you want to do whenever you're looking at tax deduction. Don't just spend the money to get the tax deduction. Be strategic. The tax deduction is just a cherry on top.